Good morning everyone! What's up? Tayo ngayon ay nasa
Carmona, Cavite.
at dito kami magsisimula ng aming North Loop. This is the day kung saan kami ay pupunta ng North Luzon
Expressway.
Hindi ka mag-expressway. Hindi, bawal yun. Kikitain na namin yung aming mga kasama. Pero una sa lahat, tayo muna yung magpapagas. Sino mo yung gas natin yan? Papagas muna tayo. Wala na tayong gas eh. Let's go.
Let's go.
Let's go. Sa unang gas namin dito sa Carmona, Cavite, umabot kami ng 504 pesos. Unang karga.
A few moments later.
Stop over kami dito sa San Rafael, Bulacan. CR break lang. Tapos back na ulit. Kaya pa? Let's go. Grabe, binakbak namin ang binakbak namin daan hanggang ngayon. Nandito na kami daw sa Talavera, Nueva Ecija. Kain muna. Breakfast.
I wake up to a little bit of drool on my pillow, feel like it's gonna be a bad day. Yeah, I'm tired of shit, and the coffee ain't hit yet, damn ain't that great. I don't wanna go to work, cause my boss is a jerk, and I'm not even that paid. I need a change in my life, cause I don't feel alive, and there's nothing that makes me happy. Hold my beer for a minute, I'm about to quit my job, cash in for a ticket. I'm going on a trip and I don't plan to visit. I'm gonna stay there till I feel like I'm winning, and this is just the beginning. I need a big change, help me feel like living. I need a big swing, home runs I'm hitting, and I'll never look back, moving on till I get it all.
So basically, andito daw kami sa San Jose, Nueva Ecija. Ito yung pangalawa naming gas, full tank. Kano kaya abutin?
12 seconds later.
Okay, 400 pesos yung pangalawa naming pagas.
And we all got dreams, we all want things, but what you gonna do for it? How you gonna move for it? What you gonna be? And do you believe you can do anything? But what you gonna do for it? How you gonna move for it? What you gonna be?
Finally, nandito na kami sa boundary ng Nueva Ecija na parang papunta kaming Pulag sa sobrang photo lang dito tapos may nga ng konti. North Luzon, look pa more. Kaya pa? Open. Dito nga, Nueva Vizcaya it is.
A few inches later. 12 seconds later.
Yeah, this is my life, my strife, my right to fight, to die on. And this is my game to play, to claim a brand new name, And I ain't gonna lie to you, I'm a bit nervous that I might screw everything up that I've ever done. But what's the point of living if you ain't having fun? I guess I'll try this, try that, might miss, gotta find what I'm good at. I guess I look here, look there.
Nandito na naman kami at kakain. Oh, sa Aritaw na pala kami. Nasa Ari Town, Nueva Vizcaya. Kain muna kami ng lunch.
I gotta make it in this life. Whatever makes me happy, know I'm doing things right. Sipping in the summer on a goose and Sprite, or find a nightclub for the end of the night. Oh, and we all got dreams, we all want things. But what you gonna do for it? How you gonna move for it? What you gonna be? And do you believe you can do anything? But what you gonna do for it? How you gonna move for it? What you gonna be?
Dito kami sa gitna ng kawalan. Ganda nung ano, hindi ko alam kung nakikita nyo kung gaano ka green yung damo. Ano yung sabi mo kanina?
Parang ang lambot, sarap tumalon.
Ganun. At sa aming ikatatlong pagas sa araw na to, 400 pesos. Sa Kawayan ng Isabela na kami. Thank you. What's up sa'yo, Sir Jericho? JL Clean Fuel. Bigyan natin siya ng WDC. Saan ba tayo dyan? WDC yan ha.
Eventually. Day 2.